NCR, a city that over the last decade has transformed into India's leading hub of luxury housing and smart infrastructure. But what most people don't see is what lies beneath these stars. With growing land scarcity, the land parcels are becoming smaller, whereas the vertical growth, deeper basements have become integral to luxury and commercial projects. And that's where diaphragm walls or D walls come in. But what are D walls? Let's get an insight with the help of our men at work.
In NCR in the last 5 years has seen a lot of diaphragm wall increase in the number of diaphragm wall projects. And also the question arises why it was not common before. I would like to say that earlier the diaphragm wall works was mainly used in metro projects, and there the design and execution was very complicated. The thickness was more, it was very expensive to use in the building projects.
Okay.
And the number of machineries, availability of machineries was very expensive and numbers were less. Now many of the companies have started making, and the design has optimized, so it has become more cost effective for building projects also.
This technology was common in NCR 6 to 7 years ago, but is now almost a necessity. But why the sudden rise?
Basically, diaphragm wall is very cost effective and efficient system, and compared to the old traditional system where where you had space, we used to open cut it and then go for deep basements or for the basement structure. But now in urban area there is no space, we have limited space near the buildings, and we have to do the construction of retaining wall 6 meter offset. So diaphragm wall comes as a boon to the basement construction, and it is fast, and it's much better than the traditional method where environmental and noise pollution and every aspect it gives a better advantage to the customer, to the builder, to everyone.
At Experion developers, we are not just following trends, we are redefining them. As part of our next generation construction approach, we are using diaphragm walls technology to ensure safety, speed, and longevity. But how exactly is a D-wall constructed?
Every diaphragm wall begins with precision, starting from the surface. Narrow guide walls are first excavated and concreted along the wall alignment to maintain accuracy and prevent soil collapse. Next comes the grabbing machine, a massive hydraulic rig that digs deep rectangular trenches meter by meter, reaching depths up to 30 meters. To prevent the trench from collapsing as it goes deeper, a special polymer slurry is pumped in continuously, stabilizing the sides and suspending debris. Once the trench reaches the desired depth, a prefabricated steel reinforcement cage is carefully lowered into place. The final step is concreting, done using the Tremi method, a controlled technique where concrete is poured from the bottom up through a long pipe, displacing the slurry upward and ensuring a clean, solid structure. It's a choreography of engineering, unseen but foundational.
Time of every builder is limited to construct with RERA. So if your basement is constructed in 6 months earlier, or if a deep basement 1 year earlier, then you can save time overall in the project, and it gives a long-term benefit in cost and time. That is the biggest advantage, where customer also gets the flat much earlier.
By adding to the point that Anish told, that in terms of time, basically the services part is major concern in every project across the country. So by constructing a D wall, the basement get ready, so we can start the services. The services can start parallelly, so it optimizes the time duration by overlapping the activities. So it makes the construction fast and to deliver that project to customers within duration the span committed to the customers.
Diaphragm walls may remain invisible after construction, but they are quietly shaping the future of real estate in NCR. At Experion, we are proud to stay ahead of the curve, not just building above the ground, but deep below it too.